Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing a spare USB, 16 gigabytes or larger, and sign into an administrator account. Once done, open Start and type Create a Recovery Drive, then launch the tool. Make sure to check Backup System Files. This includes Windows Recovery Tools and the option to reinstall. Click Next and select the USB. This step copies essential environment files. Without it, you'll only get basic troubleshooting. Wait while the wizard analyzes files and lists the chosen drive before you confirm and proceed. After you choose the USB, double-check the drive letter because the process will format and erase its contents. Click Create and allow Windows to copy files. This can take from 15 to 40 minutes depending on speed. Do not remove the USB during the copy. Interrupting it can render the drive unusable. Once complete, open File Explorer to verify recovery and boot folders exist and look for WinRe, Wim, or Install. Wim inside sources. This confirms a full recovery environment rather than a minimal toolset. To use the drive, plug it into the target PC and restart while pressing the motherboard boot menu or enter UEFI to set USB first. This boots the recovery environment. Once booted, choose Troubleshoot then Recover from a drive to reinstall or advanced options to repair startup, use System Restore, or run command prompt. If the PC won't boot from the USB, try a different USB port. Recreate the recovery drive on another stick, and ensure Secure Boot doesn't block unsigned media.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.